Hello everyone. Are you ready for another photo assignment? This time the good folks at Fred Miranda have tasked us with photographing sorrow. My vision for sorrow was to make a pretty photo of a weeping willow tree. To that end, I met up with my friend Bruce at Ford Park. Looking through old photos, I found a couple that fit the theme. This one from a cemetery in town, and this one from Santuario de Chimayo in New Mexico. Revisiting the cemetery in town was my backup plan in case I didn't find anything at the park. Here's a photo of Bruce looking moody in the early morning light, and a selfie of me that I thought was sheer perfection. But let's head to Lightroom now and see how I made my entry for sorrow. After auto adjust, I brought the shadows down and set dehaze to +2. For cropping, I went with a 1:1 ratio and lined up the weeping branches on the 1/3 guidelines. I brought up the contrast, considered black and white, and that was it. Here's the final photo. I was very happy with how it looked like lines of tears running down a face. I posted my photo to Fred Miranda and managed to get a couple of votes, but placed 5th out of the 5 entries. Congrats to everyone who participated. Thank you for watching, and I hope today gives you something worth photographing.